get the best out of your editing service or out of the service that Editage is providing, if you decide to take an editing service, you should consider to also have a good plan when you are using the editing service in order to submit the manuscript. So, figuring out the last 5% of your submission. You should have a nearly ready manuscript. That is the first part. You should ensure that if English is not your first language, you should consider really getting an editing service. I am one that has done this mainly in my first 3 years of starting publishing. When I started to publish quite a big volume of manuscripts, I understood the lingo of that specific field and didn't have the need to do this anymore. But prior to that, I often have decided to use the specific language services in order to get into the lingo of that specific area of work, and Editage is also providing that. So, even regardless of primary language, sometimes it's quite nice to get someone in your near team. So, let's say someone in the same faculty or maybe in the same university that has a similar field to look at your manuscript, and based on that manuscript, tell you what they think is the best part and what you need to improve on. And this will also help you prior to getting the editing service to get the most out of it once it's going towards the end of your manuscript preparation phase. And sometimes also AI support can help you here as well with using language services in order to ensure the right style and to ensure the right texture of your paragraphs.